Kenya Court stops deployment of police to Haiti. A Kenyan court Friday ruled against the government's plan to deploy police to Haiti to lead a UN-backed multinational mission aimed at restoring peace and security in the Caribbean nation struggling with the gang violence. Judge Enoka Sasha ruled that the decision by NSPSA to deploy police officers is unconditional and invalid.
A declaration is hereby issued that Sections 107, 108, and 109 of the National Police Service Act, which provide for deployment of police officers outside the country under reciprocal arrangement to reciprocating countries, are constitutional and valid. 2. A declaration is hereby issued that National Security Council has no mandate to deploy police officers outside Kenya under Article 240, Sub-Article 8 of the Constitution or any other law. A declaration, that's number 3, is hereby issued that any decision by any state organ or state officer to deploy police officers to Haiti and any further action or steps taken by any state organ or state officer in furtherance of such a decision contravenes the Constitution and the law and is therefore unconstitutional, illegal, and invalid. An order is hereby issued prohibiting deployment of police officers to Haiti or any other country otherwise than in compliance with Part 14, that is Sections 107 and 108 of the National Police Service Act. And finally, this being a public interest litigation, I make no order on costs. Thank you.
Isaac Mwahula said in his statement that the government respects the rule of law. We have, however, made decision to challenge the High Court's verdict. The ruling comes as the Haitian government calls for the urgent deployment of multinational forces to help its overwhelmed police battle rampant violence.